Painters are paying tribute to great painter and Rava memories. The people of Mandla are drawing paints on the 4th death anniversary of world famous painter Sayyid Haider Rafa and paying tribute to their favorite painter. Every year, a 5-day Rafa Memory Festival has been organized by the Rafa Foundation on Rapta Ghat on the Narmada coast on the occasion of the death anniversary of Raja Sahab. Raja Memory is not being held in public due to the corona epidemic this year. Member Secretary of Rafa Foundation Sanjeev Chaubey said that in the form of the guideline of governance due to coronavirus, the pattern of Rafa Memories has been changed this year. Earlier during this time, students of various arts universities of the country were invited to painting at Rapta Ghat. Local painters also used to register their participation in large numbers, which included women and men of all age groups. In Rapta Ghat, along with drawing sheets, canvas, painting in pots, as well as pottery from Mati, they learned to make various items including lamps. The passion for painting in the umbrellas was made soon. This year, this event was not possible by following social distancing, so this year it is being organized all over the houses. The Rafa Foundation has provided all the materials like drawing sheets, canvas and different color brushes to the participants who attended the Rafa Memorial every year. In this, children and older artists of all age groups have drawn their imagination into a canvas and are paying tribute to Raja Sahib. Sanjeev Chaubey told that a painting workshop has been organized at Kakaiya Primary School on this occasion. Here, small children are being provided basic information about the painting by providing all the necessary material for painting. Kakaiya is the same place in which Raja Sahib attended primary school as well as read the first painting lesson in government school. Under Raja Memories, artists of all age groups, big and small, are paying tribute to painter Sayyid Haider Rafa, who is honored with the most special items of the government of India such as Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan by posting photos and videos with his artworks on social media. In making Rafa Smriti a success, Gajendra Soni, Ashish Kachwaha, Manoj Dwivedi, Sarang Sahu, Deepmani Khairba, Lalit Kusram, Naveen Jharia, Siddhant Chandrol, Anurag Barya, Pawan Usrate are playing their notable roles. This is report from reporter Rohit Chokse.
भारती चौरसिया हर साल जुलाई में रजा फाउंडेशन कार्यक्रम आयोजित होता था, जिसमें मैं अपने बच्चों को लेकर जाती थी। वहाँ पर बच्चे भी ड्राइंग करते थे और हम छाता और गमला डेकोरेट करते थे, जिससे हमें बहुत ही खुशी मिलती थी कि हम अपनी कला को उजागर कर पा रहे हैं, कुछ करने का प्रयास कर पा रहे हैं। लेकिन इस साल कोरोना वायरस के कारण रजा फाउंडेशन का कार्यक्रम आयोजित नहीं हो रहा है, जिससे बच्चे और हम लोग सभी दुखी हैं। लेकिन फिर भी रजा फाउंडेशन की तरफ से घर पर बच्चों के लिए सामग्री भेजी गई, उससे उन्होंने ड्राइंग बनाई और रजा साहब को हम लोग सबकी तरफ से श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करते हैं।
चलिए बढ़िया, थैंक यू। आपका नाम? कौन सी कक्षा पर हैं आप? अच्छा, ये जो आप चित्रकला कर रहे हैं किस लिए है ये? हाँ, रजा फाउंडेशन इससे पहले रपटा घाट पर आयोजित होता था, आप जाती थी वहाँ पर? कैसा लगता था वहाँ? और अभी कैसा लग रहा है?